3.
Hello everyone, this is Trisha Bhattacharjee. So today's my topics is how we gonna compliance tax with AI. So it's like empowering global tax systems through predictive AI to transfer pricing detection and ensure regulatory compliance. Good evening, and here I'm gonna pitch a game changer AI that catches tax dodgers in real time. In 10 minutes, I will show you how our innovation transforms tax enforcement and why it's a gold mine and how we will make it global. Let's dive in. So, taxes aren't sexy, but catching tax evaders with AI, that's electrifying. This is about empowering the Australian Taxation Office, that means ATO, and beyond with smart tech. Ready for the revelation? We should. So multinational dodge billions dollar in taxes by shifting profits, like 240 billions globally each year. Australia's ATO fights back with slow manual audits, and it's really losing time and money. And we're gonna change AI we're gonna change that with AI, catching the tax tricks instantly for fairer economics. Because fairness is the main trick here, and I think it's gonna be exciting, right? So, our AI uses decision trees for clear audits and manual networks to spot sneaky patterns. Built on data mimicking global standards. We need to follow the global standards, that's why. And it flags profit shifting fast. It's like a super smart detective like Iron Man, making the ATO proactive and powerful. So how we gonna how we gonna build it? We use the double diamond framework, discovered audit gaps. We are trying to discover what is the gaps between the audits, and define AI models for key financial clues, developed with synthetic data and delivered with transparency tools. It's a recipe for the success, but it's more structured, more scalable, and a bit spicy. So now we are going to think about the payoff stuff. The ATO gets faster audits and million is gonna recovered, million revenue gonna recovered. Last year they reclaimed around $700 million. Oh my God, that's a huge amount. I mean, in the perspective of my country, I really can't imagine that's a big amount. So globally, it gets to other tax systems, boosting fairness and public services. So the more we are going to get this money, the more we can use those to facilitate our citizens. Like we can make more schools, we can make more roads, we can create more accommodation. Now Australians are really fighting for the accommodation stuff, and we can create a huge job market for other people as well, and other stuff for the citizens. So it scales to other tax systems, boosting fairness and public services, as I said earlier. Also leads the AI tax revelation. So now we have to think about the commercialization potential. So the world wants tax transparency. You, me, everyone wants transparency. We want a fair deal. So we license this AI to tax agencies. We have, if we can. So then they're gonna offer consultation, and they will create the partnership globally, and it's a scalable for fraud detection too. Think millions in deals while plugging tax skills, profitable and impactful. how we gonna protect our IP? We have got patents on our AI, copyright on the codings, and trade secrets logged right. Audits and strict license can keep copycats out. And IP team ensures we own the value. It's our treasure and we are gonna guard it. And we need some future needs and strategic partners as well. We need real world data and global standard partners. The ATO for pilots, universities for talent like us. Well, kidding. And tech firms for infrastructure. Small grants kicks us off and scaling to big funding. Let's build a global alliance. We really need it. And that's my building team. You can see the leader of our nation, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and he's the best leader I can ever imagine in my life. So that's my crew. I'm thinking about to manage my team with these people. Like I need one AI experts, one tax pros, one data scientist, one policy gurus, and a project manager. We blend the academia industry and the government and trained in ethics and transparency. With board leadership like Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and we are gonna be unstoppable. So the next is risks and mitigation in AI tax compliance. Risks: synthetic data gaps, model complexity, and bias. We counter with real data, transparent AI tools, and diverse training. These are not hurdles, they are steps, but we are already climbing up. Then, some barriers we have to overcome, and we have some solutions as well. Data privacy, skeptical regulations, and limit resource. We solve with global standards, HO pilots, and university partnerships. Pushback from multinationals, we rally stakeholders to win. Barriers smashed. So what's gonna be our plan? For the 0 to 6 months, we will go for the testing, and 12 to 24 months, we will create some ATO pilots, and 6 to 12 months, 6 to 12 months there will be ATO pilots, and 12 to 24 months that's going to be global scale. We track accuracy and efficiency with ATO and partners, keeping us on track. The solid as the street I have shown here. Then, so we will gonna recover millions dollars by leading ethical AI and scale it globally. It's a tech with heart, exciting regulations, and innovators alike. From 700 million wins to worldwide fairness. This is a story worth joining. That's what I think. Join the revolution with me and with us. Invest in ATO pilots, partner for global rollout, and fuel the talent. Let's make tax evasion history and build a fairer world for you, me, and for us. Who's ready to change the game? I guess we are gonna be ready. So thank you, and thanks for listening. Let's make taxes fair and fun. If you have any kind of questions, don't hesitate to reach me out. Thank you. Thanks.